Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jilla uba sniaw halang Dhar ha kasi palay ula Kyntait ha kabayade bat ka Jingkynnoh badan ka Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka Pisa halor ka Jingpentre ya ka project Shna yo Laitumkhrah. Habaklan cekilar patay kubor uba sniaw halang Dhar ula ong bakatanat kanum ajing siu la dagi kontraktor Kyntait ya ka kam halor ka RTI balawan ra ada uba Napoleon mau pnyang banpa tokit ha ka CBI uba sniaw halang ula ong balada usyam baka don shisha ka Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka Pisa ula dawa ban pha tokit dangshen uba Napoleon ula pha Jingkynnoh ban ujor sha ulat ka jilla UCH Vijaya Shankar bat sha Menteri Rangba ka jilla o Konrad Sangma ban pha tokit ha ka CBI ya ka ni ka project.
How do you view this?
No. Who told you?
As per the RTI application which
Okay, let them reply. That officer reply. Who am I to reply? It's not with me. I think
What
officer
he
knows
has-
properly how he feel, how he walks. Nobody will make payment without work only.
but he has demanded a CBI proof. on
No,
this.
that is let the department do it. Who is he? I know. Oh, that one of the government boy. Is the one
Yes,
you saw.
yeah, yes.
No, I will not bother all this.
Okay.
It will defame me. You see. But that let department do. Right or wrong, I don't know. It's not with me. It's the official procedure. If somebody asks RTI, they have the right to reply to him, no problem. If he finds faults, he may go further. There is no issue on that. But according no, there is not such irregularities.
There's no such.
No. And the project is still under construction too. You see, point number one, when the project is still under progress, no need of filing RTI also. That is always. When the project is still undergoing, after completion of the project, then they may check RTI, okay, the work is completed, the amount has been paid, what are the item of work? That is, they have the right. Now to come sometime.
He's meant escalation of the project. Since what the amount was sanctioned was around 25.73 crore, but now the project is around 35.21 crore.
No, that's all. They will give him a correct number. Me also no knowledge on that because the construction work, the official who meeting on this. Let's see if any writing come to me. So I may call my officer, but no, nothing official complaint to me.
But there are allegations. Colin swear he's the father of
You
our
see,
spouse
I'm
and
telling
affair.
you, in business, whether the father, the mother, the wife, you cannot deny the legal right of the person. Listen, man, you can work, your wife can work, your son can work. It's your legal right.
Correct.
Simple. All this nonsense thing also. Why you suppose ma.
In April 2020, the work started on September, but now still.
Now there is some problem with the seller. They are yet to discuss with the local to see the people so that they can go ahead with the next phase. Something like that.
So any tentative one is a deadline to complete this.
No, deadline is there is a time of completion. This record is not with me, but slightly delay is not because of contractor. The reason was that it take time for the present market, all the groceries, all the present they have to shift to the new building and they can go with the next phase. That is only part left. And it seems now they are already settled with the MLA, local MLA. That is only part. There is no. The project is okay.
Almost.
And the project is okay. Okay, maybe there is some escalation, but according to me, I don't know. So if there is things, so no problem. You have the right to act, and then the officer can reply.